Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix if you don't have the save option. So guys, if you're trying to download reel from your Instagram application into your phone but you don't have the save option, so a lot of users are facing this problem, they don't have the save button. So don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can save reel to your phone from Instagram. So let's get start the video. So first of all, go to your application home screen, then go to Instagram setting, click on setting, then click on privacy, then simply click on story, then scroll down, you will get this save story to camera roll. Turn this option on. So once you have done this, now go back and choose the reel which you want to save. So now you can click on reel section, then simply click on share icon right here, then select add to your story. Now you can adjust this, then simply add it to your story. So don't worry, we are going to delete this, so just wait until the story is posted on your Instagram. So as you can see, now it's posted. Now go back and check your gallery if the reel is saved or not. So as you can see guys, here is the reel. So now you can go back to your Instagram and delete that story. Then simply click on story, click on three dots, now click on delete. So as you can see guys, it's simple as that. Now this is how you can save the reels to your phone from Instagram. So hope you like this video. If you do, leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.